So guys, we'll learn about moment of inertia for different shapes. So here a rectangular, we will start with the rectangular lamina, which has a width of B units, that is its width is B and depth is D. Now what we'll do, we want to find the moment of inertia about the centroidal axis. So here what we have taken an elemental area whose depth is dy and whose width is b. So the elemental area will be dA is equal to b into dy of this strip. Elemental area of this strip will be total width b into dy. Now what will be the moment of inertia? Moment of inertia will of the lamina about xx will be, we know the formula Ixx will be, we'll consider for the half and multiply with the 2. So 2, 0 to d by 2, we are integrating it, b y square dy, because the distance of this is y. So this distance is y. So by square dy. From b dy came from the area. So b dy from here. So dA y square. dA into y square. I have skipped the step. I have directly written by square dy. So on integrating, we will get 2b 1 by 3 d cube by 8. To integrating and putting the values. So therefore Ixx will be equal to bd cube by 12. Remember guys, this is the moment of inertia for a rectangle about the centroidal axis. Similarly, if we want to find about the yy, it will come out to be db cube by 12. Now if we are interested in finding the moment of inertia about 1, so there what we will use, parallel axis theorem that says I11 is equal to Ixx plus ay bar square, where y is the distance of this axis from the centroidal axis. So this is y bar. So we will use parallel axis theorem. So Ixx is bd cube by 12 plus area is b into d and y bar is d by 2 whole square. This comes out to be bd cube by 12 plus bd cube by 4 is equal to bd cube by 3. Similarly, if we want to find for 2, about this 2, it will come out to be db cube by 3. Guys, remember this is most important. bd cube by 12 is about the centroidal axis and bd cube by 3 is about the base if its distance is d by 2. So this the moment of inertia for rectangle. Okay. Suppose a question is given. Okay, we'll find polar moment of inertia also. So if we want to find about the OZ axis, so about XX and about YY we have found. So how we will find about OZ? We have learnt in perpendicular axis theorem that IOZ is equal to IOX plus IOY. So BD cube by 12 plus DB cube by 12. For a special case, that is B is equal to D, means square B4 by 12 plus B4 by 12, that comes out to be B4 by 12, so it comes out to be B4 by 6. Okay guys, so now we'll further explain it with the help of examples in next video.